Hi guys, Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. I have my BMW K1200R Sport. For the first time I was trying to take off the wheels to replace the tires, and make a long story short, I did a video about it becoming complicated. Anyway, I had a shitty bike stand, so I thought it might be necessary to take the fender off. There's only 4 stainless steel T30 Torx fasteners that hold that fender on. I figured, simple thing, right? Well, they were frozen in there. I thought BMW might have Loctited them, but I think some type of electrolysis or something took place between the aluminum and the stainless steel, and those bolts got frozen in there. And I was really surprised because I was easing them back and forth. 2 of the bolts snapped. So I drilled out the broken bolts. I made a video on that. You can look that up if you want to see how to drill them out. And one of them didn't come out so perfect, and some of the 6x1 threads got damaged. It's an M6 by 1.0 pitch thread. So I bought these things. Let me show you these. These are called HeliCoils. Come in a little set here. What you do, you get a larger drill and I believe it's size 7 tap. I could be wrong though. Whatever size tap it is, let me look, see if I can tell you, in case you want to buy them separate. It's a M6 by 1 tap. That can't be right. This is larger than M6 because I'm putting this insert in. Whatever. This tap comes with the set and the drill. And then you have these little inserts here that put new thread in the hole. You have a tool that hooks up to it and grabs that little nub on the bottom, and you thread it in after you drill it and tap it. Then after you set the thread where you want it, you go in with this little tool and you knock out that piece and the thread stays in there. I'm going to put a tiny bit of Loctite on this to lock that thread into place. When I do it, I'm going to clean out the hole with a little brake clean and then put an ever so slight bit of Loctite on there, blue Loctite, to lock that thread insert in place. Then I'm going to put Never Seize on my stainless steel fastener so they don't get stuck in there again. So let me get the stuff ready. I have my little portable drill, my porta cable. I have Loctite, brake clean to clean the hole out, and aluminum Never Seize. I also have copper Never Seize spray. So to remove your fender, you have 4 fasteners. One located right here. Another one, there's a little nub that comes out, and then one that goes in the fork. So this is the one that didn't come out so clean. I must have went off on my angle and I didn't get it dead straight because there was a problem when I re-tapped it. I'm going to clean my fender while it's off. I'll be doing that on the side. So let me get my drill bit set up and I'll drill this out. I gotta go get my teeth from my tap and die set. Yeah, that thread is shit in there. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna get a little cutting oil to put on the tap. I'll be right back. Let me go get my handle for the tap and the cutting oil. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, guys. I believe the last time I tried to get in here with my die handle, I was hitting this reflector. So I'm going to use, I got a 1/4 inch 8-point socket, I'm going to try going in with that on my T-drive handle. Backing off here and there to clear the chips. Not even using cutting oil on this because it's aluminum. Pretty soft stuff. Try to stay nice and straight. As soon as you feel it start to bind up at all, back it off, quarter turn, half turn, and clear the chips out of there. That should do it. Try not to let that wobble around in there because you'll rough up the thread. Clean that out with a little brake clean. Give that a minute to dry off. Hold on. GoPro, stop recording. Alright guys, I've got my, oh my god, my HeliCoil insert. I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on that. You saw I cleaned that out with brake clean. I'm just putting a little bit on the outside of the threads. Going right to the edge there with it. Now I'll take this little piece and knock that insert out. I'm going to let that set up for a while. Alright guys, I'm going to let that sit up for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Then I'm going to put some Never Sees on my stainless steel fastener and put the fender back on. So let me give that a half hour. It's 10 to 4 now. We'll wait till 20 after. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, I have no patience. So I washed my fender. Let me wash off the fork. Got aluminum never sees here. I'm going to put on the bolts. Just starting them a little bit. I'm going to do the other side. I have some copper never sees on these. You know what? I'm putting more aluminum never sees on these. I'm not going to have this happen again. I'm globbing these up with a little more aluminum never sees. From removing them, I removed most of the copper never sees. So, got aluminum never sees. I'm going to give each one a little dab. Can never use too much never sees. Don't go crazy tightening these because you're going into aluminum. Be mindful, it is a very soft metal. Give this one a little bit, another little hit of aluminum never sees. Don't bring this stuff in the house. Your wife will kill you. It gets everywhere. And remember, don't go crazy tightening these. Strip that right out. Brand new screw for this one. Nice glob and never sees on there. And that's a fix, guys. That is a repair of a stainless steel bolt using HeliCoil inserts. Absolute must-have for your toolbox, or to order when you have a broken screw and drilling it doesn't go too well. Look up my video removing broken bolt. It was either under removing broken bolt K1200R Sport or tire removal with issues. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could give a like and subscribe, help support the channel. Hold on. I'll be putting links in the video description where you can buy some of the tools and supplies I use. Any purchase helps support our channel at no extra cost to you. And if you do subscribe, it doesn't cost you anything and you can unsubscribe at any time. There's a YouTube algorithm. The bigger channels keep getting bigger and the little guy fades away. So show YouTube you guys are watching. Hit that bell. Give a thumbs up, thumbs down, care, concern, criticisms. I write back everybody that contacts me. You take good care of your bikes, guys. They'll take good care of you. Take good care of your cars, your tools, most of all, your families, your loved one, and yourselves. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye. See you soon. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, please stop recording.